Hey guys, Paul here from LogoClothz.com. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate our website at LogoClothz.com. The hardest part to anything is usually getting started. I'm also going to explain the different styles of table coverings that we offer. And lastly, I'll demonstrate just how quick and easy ordering a table cover can be. Let's start by going to LogoClothz.com. And on the home page, you'll see a green tab at the top. Artwork is always proof within 90 minutes or less of you placing the order. That's Monday through Friday up to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Orders placed after that may receive the proof the following business morning, if not sooner. On the website, you can always check out without having to pay for the order. We'll still send you a proof, and once you approve it, and if you decide to move forward, you can then pay for it and get it into production. With LogoClothz.com, UPS ground shipping is always free to the lower 48. Below the green banner, we have links to our different social platforms. Feel free to drop by, give us a like, or just say hello. To the right of that, we have our search bar. Here you can filter the website, search for specific products based on table size, imprint method, or table covering style. We have gift certificates available. You can also sign in or register to create an account with us, making future ordering just that much easier. Finally, to the right of that, we have our cart button. This is where the items you've been shopping for are stored. Now, if you're on the website and you're shopping for a 6-foot table cover, you would come to this tab, start with your table size. Go and select the 6-foot custom logo printed table covers. And this is going to open up a page showing you all styles of table coverings made to fit a 6-foot table. Again, we'll get into the different styles here a little bit further. Going back to the top, we have a tab for our custom table runners. And on this page, you'll find every available custom table runner that we offer. To the right of that, we have our info and contact page. You'll find information about us personally and the corporation. This is me, Paul Buckland. Hello. My partner, Ryan Cunningham. And if you wish, fill this contact form out, leave us a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Now, within our info and contact page, we have a downloadable PDF catalog. This catalog contains every product we have listed on the website, as well as the tier discount pricing. The cool thing about this catalog is once you find a product you're looking to purchase, you can click this green tab. It'll take you back to the website, and you can place your order right there for it. Going back to our info and contact page, we have a page dedicated to our wholesale program. You can learn more about us. You can learn more about our corporation, our social responsibility. We have a page dedicated to logo design with some useful resources and tips. We have a page containing our privacy information as well as the terms of service. Going back to the top tabs, we have a tab for our agency solutions, a tab which will take you to our blogs. And within our blogs, we have great information regarding the different styles of table coverings, different print methods. We also have tips for you to how you can best stand out at a trade show. There's great things in there I didn't even think about. We also have a tab for fax and video help. So real quick, let's see if I can explain the different styles of table coverings we have. I'm going to go to our 4-foot custom table covers page. I'll scroll down a bit. And if you notice below the stars, you have some verbiage, some wording that will quickly help identify the difference in these covers. These covers here are printed single color imprint. Means they're printed with a heat applied vinyl or heat transfer. We did a video on that the other day explaining that exact printing method. And over here we have full color front panel imprinted table covers. These would be for more complex designs, or if you're looking to print the logo larger than what we can print with the heat transfers. Now if you notice, we have a 1-color imprinted tablecloth. This one shows pleated corners. You can order it without pleats, and I'll show you that a little bit further when we demonstrate the ordering process. Besides the fitted tablecloth here that you see with pleated corners, we have a table throw. Now you can order the fitted tablecloth with a single color imprint, or you can order it with a full color imprint. And you can do the same with the throws. You can order this throw with a single color imprint, which again is printed with a heat transfer, or you can order the throw with a full color imprint. And besides these two styles, we have these, which are both liquid repellent. This stamp again is to quickly help you to identify that they've been treated to repel water. Any liquid that spills onto the surface is going to quickly bead up, making it easier for you to spot clean. These two here are the same as these. You have a fitted tablecloth, which can be made with or without pleats, and you have the throw. They've just been, again, treated to repel liquid. Another option is our seamless all-over printed tablecloth. This tablecloth includes an imprint on the front, top, the back, the sides. The entire surface area is yours to print. This one has no seams in it at all. Excuse me. Last but not least, we have the stretch spandex table covers. These also include an imprint on the entire surface area. Now real quick, I'm going to demonstrate how you would order a 6-foot fitted tablecloth including a full color imprint on the front. I'm going to go up to the top tab where it says start with your table size, and I'm going to come over to the 6-foot custom logo printed table covers. I'll scroll down into the product area, and this is the 6-foot full color front panel printed tablecloth. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that to get the order going. Once I'm on this page, I'm presented with some options. First one is to select your pleating style. This tablecloth shows you pleating. There's extra fabric on the corners which folds over itself. If I was to order it with no pleats, it's going to look like a box, just like that. So for now, I'm going to go back to the pleated corners and go down to the next option. The next option asks me if I want a closed back or an open back. If I were to go with the open back, the back of the tablecloth is going to drop down 6 inches. This will allow me to sit comfortably behind the table. I can store things under there without the fabric resting on my legs or without having to move it. My next option would be to select the height. You would select the height based on your table height. Most tables are going to be 30 inches tall. You do have some demo height tables which are 42 inches tall. So for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and select the 30-inch tall ones, and I'm going to change my fabric color to black. The cool thing about this website is as you make these selections, the image will change. It gives you a quick preview as to what the tablecloth is going to look like before you actually make the purchase. Once you have your fabric color and everything selected, come down here, select your production time. You would then upload your art file. Enter your quantity and add it to your shopping cart. From here you can proceed to checkout. You would fill out the order form, which includes your billing information, where we're shipping it to. We need an email address so we can send you a proof, but it's all pretty much straightforward. I'll show you that on the next video where we quickly go through the ordering process. If you have any questions, call this 833-420-5646 number. We'll be more than glad to assist you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.